since you said it through. I keep reaching through the darkness, like somehow you're still right here, trying hard to hide the feeling, but losing